Discover excellence in metal bending, drilling, and welding solutions with Bendmak USA, your supplier of Bendmak machinery for sale in North America. Dedicated to not only meeting, but rather exceeding the demands of our customers, we understand the importance of your manufacturing needs, and our commitment is reflected in our constant pursuit of innovation, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Explore our extensive range of metal fabricating machinery for sale, including plate and angle bending rolls, each designed to precision by Bendmak. In addition to our flagship products, we offer welding machinery and structural fabricating machinery, providing a one-stop solution for your metalworking needs. With a dedicated team in Tampa, Florida, we provide comprehensive service, installation, and product training. And your success is guaranteed as it is backed by our after-sale technical support team, equipped with the largest supply of spare parts in North America. Our team is committed to ensuring your machines operate at peak performance around the clock, making sure your production doesn't miss a beat. Choose Bendmak USA for unrivaled quality, precision, and reliability when looking for metal fabricating machinery for sale. Unlock new possibilities for your business by calling Bendmak. 833-236-3625. That's 833-BENDMAK.